vlog, guys. Right now I'm driving. Oh, Jesus! Driving this thing. I raced it out because, as you guys can hear, I'm gonna go and change the muffler. It's very loud. Can't even drive this thing like that. So I'm on my way right now, actually, to the shop to get it fixed. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but this thing is gnarly though. It sounds very, very loud. I just want it quiet. You know what I'm saying? Right now I'm on 4th gear. What I don't like is just that noise there. You know what I mean? It's just boom. So I raised it up about like 4 inches, I would say, just because the place that I'm going, they have some big metal and the entrance is not good. So at least now we can get in there and get it fixed right away. Alright guys, so I made it to the shop right now. The car is raced up already how it's supposed to be. Hopefully now they could like at least take care of it. As you can see, I raced it up pretty much. I will see the front lip, it's all the way up in the air. Yeah, we'll see what happens. If I click it on. That's crazy because driving this car this high, it feels so weird. I think it feels better when you like drive it low, to be honest. You gotta say it like that. So, but like I said, hopefully it'll take care of me. I have the pipe inside the car. I'll just show you, because before, I'll show you right there where it needed to be going in. And also, I'll show you right quick inside. When I'm trying to go in, I'm gonna go on the middle one because the middle one looks better. Just because the one to the side has those big metals on the side, which I think that will be touching up the side skirts, and I don't want those things to get messed up. But we'll see what happens. Jeez, it's crazy how high that thing looks. Can't wait to go back low again. But see, they're getting it fixed, and I also double checked with them to like muffler the leader, but it's just, I think the noise is gonna be the same thing as it was before, which I think I'm gonna be getting tired of that thing real quick. So at this moment what I've decided is just to put the muffler back how it is, so it could be nice and silent. What I'll try to do will probably just find something a different one, you know what I mean, so I can make like some good noise, you know. I just want it to be like nice and a little bit louder, but not too much, you know, to the point that your head hurts a lot. Literally, I just wanted to get to this place and get this thing fixed because my head was just like pounding the whole time. And it looks like he is going down. Finally, they fixed it up. They hooked it up in rear, and they're really, really nice. I told them to raise up the muffler as much as they could, because the thing is, like, when the car is super low, you know, if you hit it anywhere, then the muffler is just gonna stay there, you know, stuck, and then you're just gonna break it. whatever. I'll just probably get another set and just get in as soon as possible. You know, it kind of sucks because it kind of broke the screws and all that, as you can see here as well. Just gotta like put it back again and shit. And also I broke the clip of this slide going down too far. It is what it is. It's whatever. I'll try to fix this right now. So once I get home, probably just order the other set, get it back by next week, and I think we should be all set. Kind of bumps out, but hey, it is what it is, like I said. That's why you gotta keep zip ties with you at all time. Because you never know, you know what I'm saying?
What you did to the car.
What's that?
That's very creative what you did to the car.
Thanks, man, thanks. Yeah, hey, that's why you gotta keep the sheds around.
You gotta keep them in the truck somehow.
Definitely. Alright, there you have it, guys. It's back again. It's like almost brand new. I really don't care because I still have to replace that flare from that side, because before, when it was super low, the tire was rubbing up there. So it's whatever. It's whatever that is broken. I will say now that at least I have an excuse to replace, and also the corner signal light as well I need to replace. But I'll say it is what it is. I mean, shit happens, you know what I mean? I could replace that, no problem. I mean, I think it's nothing major. Worse could have happened, I guess. But it's just the guy didn't tell me. I kind of went too fast as well. I think it's my mistake. And now I'm going back home. It's quiet. That's what I wanted to. And yeah. Good morning, good morning. Wow, what a beautiful, beautiful sunny day it is. Finally we have now these good days. I just woke up right now. I just feel like a little bit tired. Because yesterday we had like a little cookout with my family. We had quite a good, beautiful night. Beautiful afternoon, I mean, you know what I mean? We had so much fun. It was very enjoyable family time. We did some carne asada and some other things, but the reason I'm picking up this video is because finally found a rear lip for the Corolla, which I'm super stoked. I'm gonna show you right away, guys, because I'm gonna have to like modify a few things. Yes, it's not gonna be easy just to like go and hook it up in there, and no, you know what I mean. But let me give you a quick look on the car. That thing looks really good as always. There is I'll probably just go over a few things, guys, and tell you, you know, the lip, the flares, the skirts, and all those little things like that. But check this out. This is what I'm really excited about. It's right on the floor. I know it's not gonna be easy to mount it on the car because it's not for this car. I actually got it off a SAP. I kind of test fitted at the junkyard, which I kind of like test fitted on another car that was there. It kind of fits, yes, but of course you have to do some adjustments and stuff, and also you have to like kind of make it work in there, which there's no problem, because the same thing what I did with the front lip was I made it work, because the front lip is from a Honda Civic. I'm picking up this video maybe a week after I fixed the muffler. It's just been kind of lazy, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video as well. I went yesterday and got the gas tank door for this one, because it's been a minute that I haven't gotten one yet. And also I will be showing you guys how to remove these things from there, because it's insane how they just put these weird screws in there that you can't even get them out. The only way to get them out, I already did it. The only way to get them out, it's like you have to like kind of like drill on top of them with those drill bits, and just use it like a crowbar. Now popped it out, and that's it. I have the other one. I think this is the one that I got for the junkyard. We'll get to it. I'll pick up the video in a little bit once I get everything solved, and I'll just go over that and explain you what I did and all that. Update, I've just been trying to kind of like mount that lip and kind of like find a way how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna run to Home Depot right now. I'm gonna try to get some double-sided tape, which that's the one that I use for the side skirts, which came out perfect. They're solid and they don't move anywhere, and I think the lip as well, it could hold, you know, pretty good with the double-sided tape. So what I'll do, I'm gonna go to Home Depot, get the double-sided tape, try to mount the lip, and see if I like it. If I like it that way, then I'll just like finesse a few things here and there. But if not, then I'll rip it off and then just get something else. But I think I'm gonna like it. I'm gonna like it. In this case, I think I'll probably go with the plastic dip white paint, because that's what I have for the flares, and that's what basically looks the same also with the side skirts. You guys can see I have the 3M double-sided tape all around the top lip. Hopefully that works, and hopefully that comes out good. So it's just gonna be a test. So if I don't like it, like I said, I'll just take it off right away and find a different way. And if I don't like it at all, then we don't put it out. But let's check it out. Ready for that? So I'll set you guys over here so you guys can kind of like see the process. Take two, because what happens was I came out a little bit too short on the right side, but now I know exactly what I have to do. This tape is really good. The lip is really tight. It's right in there. Okay, like I'm pulling on this thing down and it's not coming off. So we're gonna do second take. Now I know exactly what I have to do, but I think this is the way to go. Double-sided tape with that lip, and then after that, maybe a little bit after, I'll just put like one screw here and there just to like secure that a little bit more, because we don't want the lip flying off when we are driving, but chances are very minimal. So yeah, we're gonna keep doing this, and then after that I'll record again. Okay, take a look there real quick. We have the lip painted already, so we're gonna kind of like test fit again one more time, and then from there we're gonna see what we want to do, guys. Check it out real quick. How's that looking? All right, guys, just to let you know, we finally finished. It looks kind of decent, so I still have to like fix up a few more other things, but that's gonna have to be for tomorrow or another day. But the sun today is just like extremely hot, but it's all good, you know what I mean? I'm gonna just give you a quick look right now how it looks, but then after, when I finish doing the last touch-ups, I think it's gonna look way better. So check this out. So if we start from here, let's say, you know what I mean? So for example, right on the left side, that little hole, I still have to like lift that side just a tiny bit up. Now if we go like that, it does not look better. Oh, and then if you come from far away, it looks way better, I would say, than before, you know what I mean? So down right there, I probably cut that out and it's gonna look better, but it doesn't look, yeah, I think it looks good. I just cut both of the left and right flares sticking down just a little bit, cut them out, and I think that's it. Like it, does not look bad at all.